Hi guys, it's Sophie from Customessaymeister.com, and today I'm going to show you how to create an annotated bibliography. An annotated bibliography is a list of citations to books, articles, and documents. Each citation is followed by a brief, usually about 150 words, descriptive and evaluative paragraph, which is called the annotation. The purpose of the annotation is to inform the reader of the relevance, accuracy, and quality of the sources cited. Annotations can be best described as descriptive and critical. They may describe the author's point of view, authority, or clarity and appropriateness of expression. Creating an annotated bibliography calls for the application of a variety of intellectual skills, such as analysis and informed library research. Here are some steps that will help you create your own annotated bibliography. Step 1. Locate sources. First, locate and record citations to books, periodicals, and documents that may contain useful information and ideas on your topic. Briefly examine and review the actual items. Then, choose those works that provide a variety of perspectives on your topic. Step 2. Critically appraise the document. You can critically appraise a document in 3 easy steps: the summary, evaluation, and relevance of the sources. The summary. The first feature is a summary of your source. Your annotation should be able to tell the main idea and the most important points. A good question to ask yourself: what is this source trying to say? For example, the annotation for a research article published in a peer-reviewed journal should include information on its primary findings. The evaluation. The second feature is the evaluation of the source. This is the part where you exercise critical thought. For instance, you may determine if the source is credible or not by looking at the author's credentials and affiliations, the quality of evidence presented, strengths and weaknesses, and actual biases and limitations of the article presented. Finally, the relevance. Your annotation may also talk about the relevance of the source to your topic. In this part, you may talk about how the sources relate back to your topic and how you will use the information. Step 3. Choosing the correct format for the citation. Check with your instructor to find out which style is preferred for your class. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed today's content, please like, share, and subscribe to Customessaymeister.com's channel. Thank you.